Okay, here's our second problem. Again, it's substitution. So love substitution because you have a variable by itself, or that is going to be your goal. So we have a variable by itself right now. It is y. It's in the first equation. This time it's on the right-hand side. Doesn't matter. You should know that y is equivalent to negative x minus 3. So we're going to go into our other equation that we did not box off. We're going to take out the y. And in place of the y, we're going to put negative x minus 3. We're going to combine like terms over here and get, this is 4x plus negative x is 3x. And then we're going to got like 500 notifications coming up. Then we're going to get 3x equals 24. Divide by 3. X equals 8. All right, and then we're going to go into our other equation where we were before with the box, and in place of x we're going to put an 8. This had a negative in front of it, so you still have to have that. It's the opposite of 8, so it's negative 8. Minus 3 is going to equal y. This will be negative 11 equals y. And then we're going to write that as an ordered pair. X is always first, and then your y value. Okay, so not hard. A little bit weird because you had this negative x minus 3 and you had a plus and you just put that in. There was no distributing that needed to be done, so it wasn't too bad. All right, there's number 2, halfway.